What's happening, investors? Dean here, and I hope you're all doing well. It's time to talk about Tyme Technologies. This is a penny stock. It is a medical penny stock, and they have some really exciting things in the pipeline. I see some massive growth potential here. Analysts are saying some interesting things. They've also been bought by BlackRock. Yes, BlackRock have bought a large number of shares. We'll get all into that in this video, but before we do that, there's just something I want to show you. So far this year, we've spoken about 10 different stocks. I've given you 10 different stocks on this channel. And as of Friday, every single one of those stocks is in the green. So we're 10 for 10. My goal is to keep this record going. I want to finish this year off with 100% of the stocks I speak about to be green. That's my goal here. So what I'm basically doing is I'm making this little portfolio and I'm acting as if I'm actually buying one share of each company I speak about at the price I speak about it. And I want them all to be green. If we take a look at this section here where it says total gain, as you can see, each and every one of them being green. Our biggest winner, TRXC, they're up over 200%. So that's fantastic. We've got Churchill up over 100% and some other big winners too. Genius Brands International, which is a fantastic company that I own, that I see having some massive run up. They just went green on Friday, and that's fantastic to see. I expect to see that continuing. If that's not a reason to subscribe to my channel, 10 out of 10 picks, we're giving out quality content here. If that's not a reason to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what is. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. It really helps me out. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, and my goal is to keep this record at 100% all year long. So jump onto my channel and get ready for some great picks. In this video, we're speaking about Tyme Technologies. Looking at the 5-day chart, as you can see, we're currently trading at $2.38 a share. This company has seen some pretty crazy stock action over the past month. We started off at $1.50. We had highs of $3.53 before dropping down to where we are today. Pretty volatile right now. It is a penny stock. If we look back even further at 5 days, they have consistently been going down. They were once at over $10 a share. But this is typical for a lot of these penny stock, a lot of these biopharma penny stocks. When you look back on their 5-year chart, they all seem to have been a lot higher back then and have run down. But it seems like now this is when the industry is shifting. These are when these companies are starting to run up. And Tyme Technologies seems to be one that we're pretty early to, that we can jump on and ride this to some massive growth. As I said, BlackRock do own this company. On the 5th of February, they bought over 4 million shares. In fact, it's pretty close to 4.5 million shares to a market value of 5.43 million. And there are obviously other institutional holders, including Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan Chase, and more. However, BlackRock, that's the one that I'm really excited about. Whenever you see smart money, especially such a big name like BlackRock, buy so many shares of a company, it's always good news. And this has just made me even more bullish about this company. So who are they? They are a biopharmaceutical company. They are working on things to fight against pancreatic cancer. So pancreatic cancer, it's pretty serious, and there's not many other companies trying to fight this disease. They're working on their SM88. So that's an orally taken form of fighting against pancreatic cancer, and they are currently in phase 2/3 of development, which is huge. A lot of these other companies that we've spoken about, these other penny stocks, they're very early on. They're in phase 1 or phase 2. These guys are getting very close to completing all the testing, which is exciting to see. If we have a look at some of the anticipated key events, the one that really grabs my attention is the second point here, which says to present clinical data on the SM88 at a major medical meeting. So this tells me that they're getting ready to conclude this, and they're going to present their data, which could pull the stock up so high. If good news comes out about this, if this is proven as a positive factor, I can really see this stock running. And that's why I am going to invest in this company on Monday. I'm going to buy into them on Monday. I don't know how many shares yet. I'll make a follow-up video on this company and I'll include that on there. However, as of right now, I'm not sure how many shares, but I do know I'm going to invest because I just see this as a massive catalyst, and this penny stock can really run up off this. Another thing that I want to highlight is this here. This is from their investor presentation, and they're saying their SM88, which is their treatment for pancreatic cancer, they're saying that it achieved confirmed clinical responses across 15 tumor types. So what they're saying, success in pancreatic cancer may offer path for SM88 development into many of the 15 advanced cancers where imaging responses were demonstrating. So it's pretty simple. They're saying, look, we tested this on other cancers and there was some response, but we're focusing on pancreatic. However, once that pancreatic cancer is all finished and going, we can then start looking at how would this work on other cancer types. And obviously, if it shows success in all these other cancer types, it's just going to provide so much money for this company. Once they're FDA approved and once everything's going, this company will grow immensely. Jumping into some analyst price targets, we have 2 Wall Street analysts issuing price targets for Tyme Technologies in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $9.50 a share. That is a possible 299% upside over 12 months. So obviously that's massive. Now, of course, analysts, they're not always right. They don't always get it. However, it's their job. They're a lot better at it than I am. And when I look at this company and I see what they're doing and I see the fact that they are so close to completing the SM88, and when they have that big meeting and they announce everything that happened, when they start applying for FDA approvals, this will just prove huge, absolutely massive for this company. They've been working on this for a very long time, and now we've got the opportunity to invest in them before all this good stuff comes out. So we're at the tail end and hopefully we can get rewarded. Of course, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research before investing. That's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. We're going to talk about this company more often. It's a company I'm investing in. It's a company that I can see possibly going up a lot. So I'm really excited to see how this company goes. So subscribe to my channel. We talk about other stocks. As I said, we're 10 out of 10 with our stocks this year. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video so other people can see it. It really helps me, and turn on the notification bell while you're down there so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, have a good one.